get a soft prise tool and start to gently prise out the sides, just as far as that. At both sides equally. Then what we can do is just under here, very gently lift up the chrome trim, gently pull it evenly at both sides until it releases. Then what we need to do is get the buttons out. So pull very gently to one side, it will release along one side, and then push the other side and the whole piece will pop out. It is connected with an electrical connector, so be careful with that one. The coin tray or ashtray needs pushing out, so it's got two prongs. If you push it forward towards the gear stick, it will release. There are the fittings there. Take that out. Then you get your MagSafe charger. The charging cable is the first thing to install. So we must take out the rubber mat that's at the bottom of the armrest. There is a hole in the centre of the armrest. That is where we will be pulling the cable through. So underneath, from where the coin tray was, through underneath and out through the armrest. So the easiest thing to do is to get a stick of some description. I'm just using a skewer here, and we will tape the two together just with a little bit of electrical cable. So we want to aim underneath where the clip actually mounts for the armrest. You'll be able to see through. That's where we're aiming for. So we will just pop the skewer down and you'll see it through the gap. So you just want to very gently thread the skewer through, and you'll see it come through in the hole in the centre of the armrest. Very, very gently pull through. This will once you've got the end of the USB-C cable through, we'll just remove the tape. So what we'll do next is we'll just place the MagSafe charger in its location. So there are two clips at the front. So we just pull the slack through, line up the clips very gently. You'll need to sit it underneath the rubber gasket, which you can very easily lift, and you'll hear it click into place. Pull through the slack off the cable and replace the rubber gasket if you have moved it. That's the charger in position. The next thing we'll do is place the buttons back in, so you can use the rubbers that came off of your tray into the MagSafe charger just to give it that little extra support. There are two slots on the side of the console for the buttons that marry up with the slots. Make sure you're very careful to get those in the right location and push it firmly back down. If you have a PDK, the mount will rise very slightly. Again, just push it back into position. Next is the chrome trim. Line that up, and from the gear stick side at the top, push gently down, and that will clip back into place. And then the sides, align the side clips up and push those back into location as well. Then you need the rubber from the armrest. Circle up any slack that you've got remaining of the USB cable. You will need a charger that has a USB-C port to which you connect the two together and place into the 12-volt socket. Place the armrest. Then what you'll see is if you drop your phone on, it will pull to the centre and MagSafe into location and will show as charging.